Welcome back, guys. I feel like opening that first bag really put me in a good mood, so now I'm in a very, very good mood to open the second bag. I'll close the box back. Those of you that watched yesterday's video know that I already opened this outside box, but I still haven't seen the bag that's inside yet. Open it, you open it. An invoice that came in that. I have an invoice that came in that. I'm gonna put that back in now if I can. It just says open me, important document inside. It's not that important, it's just the invoice. Well, it is important, it is the invoice, and it is the proof that, you know, I bought my stuff. And in this little envelope is a little gift message that I wrote to myself. Does anyone else write gift messages to themselves when they order things online, or am I alone in this? Oh, this is so tiny. This is a YSL bag. The box is so small. In the other one, I was complaining that they didn't give me a Gucci box. So I don't know what they were trying to do. So they do have original boxes, but they didn't send me a Gucci one. They just put it in a dust bag, but they sent me a YSL one. I like having my boxes. I am going to see if they're able to send me a Gucci box for the other one that's in my last video. But this one came with a box, so they're not going to need to send me one for that. This is the dust bag that the bag came in. It doesn't feel as nice as the other one's dust bag, but we're not comparing bags, I'm showing you bags. Oh, this is so cute. I look like a rainbow right now. There's so many colors. I'm not into colors. I got a red one just because I wanted to kind of step out of my comfort zone. I know your nail colors could be any color, but I probably won't rock a red bag whilst my nails are pink, even though it's not that deep, it's not that serious, but I probably won't, because no, I just won't. Right, so this is it. The strap. So it's like a pouch. Well, it is a pouch. It's not like a pouch. It is a pouch. It's not a clutch bag. It's a pouch. It's a YSL pouch. If you guys saw my last video, you'll see me mentioning that when I go on night outs and I carry bags, I don't like the ones that have shoulder straps. I like the ones that have detachable straps. So the strap is detachable. I am able to remove it and it leaves me with just this, and I like this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open it up and see what they got going on in there. Right, they've got this. Right, okay, so it's like a little foamy something. It's just an empty cardboard. I don't know why that's there, but it is there. And it's not very spacious, so it is very small. I'm sure I can fit my phones in there. Let's see if I can fit both of my phones in there. I was just trying to see if the red matches the red on my phone. It doesn't. Does it? Is that the same red? Does anyone else have this issue where you get something that's the same colour but it's not the same shade of colour, and then it just kind of puts you off? Like, these two are not the same shade of red, are they? No, they're not. Right, so I can fit my phone in there. This is my business phone. It's all buck up, but it works. I can fit this one in there. And I can fit keys in there, and it's got like all these places where I can put like my bank cards. I don't know how much the camera's capturing. There's a lot of card holders. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 card holders where I can put like 8 different cards. I can put more than that, but yeah, there's 8 individual card holders. And then there is this little space over there, just on the sides, you know, the side space. The side space. It is very small, but I love the colour. I love that it came in a box. I love the zipper. I love that it's got detachable strap. I love the leather feel of it. It's very, you know, it feels proper, like, doesn't feel cheap. It's £390, so just a bit short of 400. I don't think that's bad considering it is YSL, and YSL is not, it's not a cheap brand, but at the same time it's not that expensive, so it's like affordable luxury, if you get what I mean. But yeah, this is the final look that I'm giving you guys of the pouch. I don't think I'm going to be doing a what's in my bag for this one, because I just showed you what fits inside it. So keys, 2 phones, 8 spaces for cards, and then it's got a little side space on the back. But with this bag, I might have to baby this one because I can see potentials of it, you know, doing up bendy, doing up, you know, foldy. And because the colour is not black as well, it'll be a lot more noticeable. But yeah, I don't know if I have anything else to say about this bag. Let me know if there's any questions. And yeah, it comes in black as well. The reason I got this in red and not black is I just wanted to step out my comfort zone, you know, get something else that's gonna make my outfits pop. If I do something for my birthday, I might go with wearing this bag rather than that one. So the bag I showed you guys yesterday, that'll probably be for like during the day, and this will probably be like for during the night. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let me know what you think of the bag, and I'll see you guys again soon. Bye bye.